So boring being a Cybertruck. Like, come on, bro. Can't I, like, why couldn't I be anything else but a Cybertruck? Like, look. My cup holders never get used. Like, what y'all doing up there? Like, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Like, nobody wants to be a Cybertruck. Of course, I have to be one. Like, just okay, but at least I don't have to be that thing over there. Yeah, that thing over there. So, hey, do you want to drive me? Okay, Cybertruck, we know that's not true. I'm the biggest one here. Like, bro, come on. Gang. Come on. I'm the biggest one here. Like, gang, are you stupid? I'm the biggest truck in this planet. Come on, bro. Like, I may be a little, like, medium-sized, but I'm still one of the oldest planes ever built. I can tell y'all that. Y'all just, like, new, like, 2000s. No, we go back to the World War I's. Man, have I seen some days. Man, that was terrible. But hey, still the oldest and the wisest out of all of you. Like, just because, like, y'all are new doesn't make y'all better. Like, the OGs? Like, come on, gang. Yeah. Both of you, stand down. Stand down. I'm the king. I'm the king of vehicles. I am the most OG one here. Like, just because I'm medium sized doesn't make me not OG. But y'all are kind of mid, I guess. Heck no, I know you did not just call me mid. You insane? You did not. No. No, Trump, did you just... No, Matt, did you just hear this dude? He really just called me mid. No, don't. Back off, Cybertruck. You don't mess with the OGs, bro. Like, that's all I'm saying. I don't want you to, never mind. Cybertruck, you're really getting on my nerves. You know that? Cybertruck? I mean, Mac truck, whatever you are. You really get on my nerves. Like, can you not get on my nerves for once? Like, holy. Whoa, guys. Like, everybody knows I'm the OG. Like, come on, bro. If y'all want to talk about who's the most OG here, how about y'all come talk to me? Can someone please tell me who invited this dude? Who? Who invited this dude? Who invited him? What? Why are you laughing? It's not funny. Okay, it's not funny at all. Look, just because I'm a race car doesn't make me an outcast. Like, come on. This is not fair how y'all are treating me. Like, bro, come on. Like, this is not how you treat someone. Wait. Guys? Hello? Guys? Hello? Hello, guys? Guys? Hello? I just wanted friends. I just wanted friends. That's all I wanted in life. That's all I wanted. Damn.